A new era of warfare, the Russia-Ukraine conflict as a technological showcase. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has become a stark and tragic demonstration of modern warfare. Gone are the days of traditional battle lines and predictable military engagements. Instead, the world is witnessing a new type of conflict, one where technology plays a central and often decisive role. From the skies above to the digital realm, the Russia-Ukraine war is a testing ground for cutting-edge weaponry, advanced surveillance systems, and sophisticated cyber tactics. This clash, while devastating in its human cost, offers a crucial glimpse into the future of warfare and the profound impact technology will have on shaping the conflicts of tomorrow. This essay will examine the key technological innovations that have come to define the Russia-Ukraine conflict. We will explore the use of drones for reconnaissance and targeted strikes, such as Ukraine's use of Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones to hit Russian armored vehicles. Delve into the shadowy world of cyber warfare, including Russia's cyber attacks on Ukrainian infrastructure and Ukraine's countermeasures, and analyze the growing influence of artificial intelligence on the battlefield, such as AI-driven surveillance systems used by both sides. Furthermore, we will discuss the vital role of communication networks like Starlink in maintaining connectivity, which has been crucial for Ukrainian forces, and the logistical challenges of modern warfare, such as the use of drones for delivering medical supplies to the front lines. By understanding the technological dimensions of this conflict, we can better grasp the evolving nature of war and the ethical dilemmas that accompany these advancements. The Russia-Ukraine war is not merely a regional conflict, it is a harbinger of a new era of warfare. By analyzing the technologies employed and their implications, we gain valuable insights into the future of conflict and the challenges it poses to international security and global stability. Eyes in the sky, drones reshaping the battlefield. These unmanned aerial vehicles have become a game-changer in modern warfare, offering unprecedented capabilities that are transforming how battles are fought and won. Few technological advancements have reshaped modern warfare as profoundly as unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. These versatile machines have evolved rapidly, from simple reconnaissance tools to sophisticated platforms capable of executing complex missions. The Russia-Ukraine conflict has become a showcase for the diverse capabilities of these aerial platforms, demonstrating their effectiveness in reconnaissance, targeted strikes, and even psychological warfare. This conflict has highlighted how drones can be used not just for surveillance but also for direct engagement and strategic advantage. Both sides utilize a range of drones, from small commercial quadcopters to sophisticated military-grade UAVs, each playing a distinct role in the conflict. These drones vary in size, capability, and purpose, but all contribute to the overall strategy and effectiveness of the forces deploying them. For Ukrainian forces, drones have proven invaluable for intelligence gathering. They provide a bird's-eye view of the battlefield, allowing for real-time data collection and analysis, which is crucial for making informed tactical decisions. Small, highly mobile drones equipped with high-resolution cameras provide real-time battlefield awareness, allowing commanders to track enemy movements, identify targets, and assess damage. This real-time intelligence is a force multiplier, enabling more precise and effective military operations. This information is crucial for directing artillery fire, planning ambushes, and coordinating defensive operations. The ability to see the battlefield from above gives commanders a strategic advantage, allowing them to deploy their forces more effectively and respond to threats more rapidly. Moreover, the widespread availability and relatively low cost of drones have empowered even small units with advanced reconnaissance capabilities, leveling the playing field against a larger, more heavily equipped adversary. This democratization of aerial surveillance means that even less well-funded forces can gain a significant tactical edge. Drones have also emerged as potent offensive weapons, particularly in the hands of Ukrainian forces. They are not just eyes in the sky, but also deliver devastating firepower, capable of striking with precision and causing significant damage to enemy assets. Armed with guided missiles or bombs, drones like the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 have inflicted significant losses on Russian armor, artillery, and supply lines. For instance, in March 2022, a Bayraktar TB2 drone successfully targeted and destroyed a Russian Buk missile system, showcasing its precision and effectiveness. The agility and precision of these drones, coupled with the element of surprise, have allowed Ukraine to strike high-value targets with a level of accuracy and efficiency that would be difficult to achieve with traditional air power. This capability has been a game-changer, enabling Ukrainian forces to conduct operations that would otherwise be impossible. The psychological impact of drones cannot be overstated. The mere presence of drones in the sky can have a profound effect on the morale and behavior of enemy troops, creating a constant sense of vulnerability and fear. The constant whirring of drones overhead serves as a constant reminder of their presence, instilling a sense of vulnerability and fear in enemy troops. This psychological warfare can be as effective as physical attacks, disrupting the enemy's ability to operate effectively. Moreover, the widespread dissemination of drone footage on social media has brought the realities of war to a global audience, shaping public perception and influencing the narrative of the conflict. This transparency has changed how wars are viewed and understood, making the impact of drones felt far beyond the battlefield. The invisible frontlines, cyber warfare and information dominance. In today's interconnected world, the battlefield is no longer limited to physical spaces. Instead, it has expanded into the digital realm, where unseen battles are fought every day. This new frontier is characterized by its complexity and the speed at which it evolves, making it a critical area of focus for nations around the globe. The Russia-Ukraine conflict is not confined to the physical battlefield. It extends deep into the digital realm, where a constant struggle for information dominance rages. This digital battleground is just as crucial as the physical one, with both sides vying for control over information and the ability to disrupt their opponent's operations. Cyber warfare, the use of digital attacks to disrupt, degrade, or disable an adversary's computer systems and networks, has become an integral part of modern conflict. These attacks can range from simple disruptions to highly sophisticated operations that can cripple entire networks. Both sides have employed a range of cyber tactics, from launching disruptive attacks on critical infrastructure to waging sophisticated information operations aimed at influencing public opinion. These tactics are designed not only to cause immediate damage, but also to create long-term strategic advantages. In the early days of the conflict, Russia unleashed a wave of cyber attacks targeting Ukrainian government websites, financial institutions, and critical infrastructure. These attacks were intended to destabilize Ukraine's ability to govern and maintain order, creating chaos and confusion. These attacks, while disruptive, were largely mitigated by Ukrainian cyber defenses, bolstered by assistance from Western allies. The international community quickly recognized the threat and provided crucial support, helping to shore up Ukraine's cyber defenses. Ukraine has also demonstrated its own offensive cyber capabilities, targeting Russian military networks and propaganda outlets. Ukrainian hackers successfully disrupted Russian military communications and exposed sensitive information, causing significant operational setbacks for Russian forces. Beyond direct attacks on infrastructure, both sides have engaged in extensive information operations, utilizing social media, online news outlets, and other digital platforms to shape the narrative of the conflict. These efforts are aimed at winning the hearts and minds of people both domestically and internationally. Russia has been accused of spreading disinformation and propaganda aimed at undermining Ukrainian morale and sowing discord among Western allies. These campaigns are designed to create confusion, erode trust, and weaken the resolve of those who support Ukraine. Ukraine, in turn, has effectively leveraged social media to garner international support, counter Russian narratives, and rally global public opinion. By highlighting their plight and showcasing their resilience, they have managed to build a broad coalition of support. The conflict in Ukraine underscores the evolving nature of cyber warfare. What was once the domain of a few highly specialized units has now become a widespread and integral part of military strategy. The rapid pace of technological advancement means that cyber warfare is constantly changing, requiring continuous adaptation and innovation. As the digital and physical realms converge on the modern battlefield, another critical layer of warfare emerges: electronic warfare. This often overlooked aspect of modern combat involves the use of electromagnetic spectrum to disrupt, deceive, and degrade the enemy's electronic systems. In the Russia-Ukraine conflict, electronic warfare has become a vital tool for both sides, adding yet another dimension to this multifaceted struggle. Electronic warfare encompasses a range of tactics, from jamming enemy communications to intercepting signals and even deploying electronic countermeasures against drones and other unmanned systems. These operations are designed to create confusion, disrupt command and control, and ultimately gain a strategic advantage. Ukraine has faced significant challenges as Russian forces have deployed advanced electronic warfare systems to disrupt their communications and surveillance capabilities. By jamming radio frequencies and GPS signals, Russia has attempted to blind and disorient Ukrainian forces, making it difficult for them to coordinate their operations and navigate the battlefield. However, Ukraine has not been entirely defenseless. With support from international allies, they have developed and deployed their own electronic warfare capabilities. Ukrainian forces have successfully jammed Russian communications and intercepted critical signals, turning the tables and creating opportunities for counterattacks. Electronic warfare also plays a crucial role in protecting key assets and infrastructures. Both sides have used electronic countermeasures to shield their drones from being hijacked or destroyed by enemy forces. These measures include signal encryption and frequency hopping, making it harder for adversaries to interfere with or take control of unmanned systems. The use of electronic warfare in this conflict underscores the importance of controlling the electromagnetic spectrum. As more military technologies rely on electronic systems, the ability to disrupt and defend these systems becomes increasingly vital. The lessons learned from the Russia-Ukraine conflict will shape future developments in electronic warfare, driving innovation and adaptation in this ever-evolving domain. Electronic warfare is invisible yet omnipresent on the modern battlefield, a silent force that can tip the scales of conflict. As we move forward, the importance of mastering this domain cannot be overstated. It is a reminder that in the age of modern warfare, control over the electromagnetic spectrum is just as crucial as control over physical territory. Artificial intelligence, the silent partner in modern combat. In the Russia-Ukraine conflict, artificial intelligence, AI, has played a silent yet crucial role. This conflict has served as a proving ground for various AI technologies, demonstrating their potential and limitations in real-world scenarios. AI algorithms, capable of processing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, have been deployed in a range of military applications. These include enhancing intelligence analysis and improving the accuracy of targeting systems. For instance, AI can analyze satellite imagery, drone footage, and other reconnaissance data to provide a comprehensive picture of the battlefield. The full extent of AI's impact on the battlefield is challenging to assess, but it is evident that this transformative technology is shaping modern warfare. AI's ability to process and analyze data at unprecedented speeds allows for quicker decision-making and more efficient resource allocation. One notable example is in intelligence analysis. By automating the analysis of vast datasets, AI frees up human analysts to focus on more complex and nuanced aspects of intelligence work. The sheer volume of data generated on the modern battlefield, from satellite imagery and drone footage to intercepted communications and social media posts, is overwhelming for human analysts to process effectively. AI systems can handle this data deluge, providing timely and actionable insights. AI algorithms can sift through this data with remarkable speed and accuracy, identifying patterns, flagging anomalies, and providing actionable insights to commanders. This capability is crucial for maintaining situational awareness and making informed decisions in the heat of battle. AI has also been integrated into targeting systems, enhancing the precision and effectiveness of weapon systems. By leveraging AI, military forces can achieve greater accuracy in their strikes, reducing the likelihood of missed targets and unintended damage. By analyzing sensor data and identifying targets with a high degree of accuracy, AI-powered systems can reduce the risk of collateral damage and minimize civilian casualties. This is particularly important in densely populated urban areas, where the distinction between combatants and civilians can be challenging. In urban warfare environments, distinguishing between combatants and civilians is paramount. AI's ability to process real-time data and provide precise targeting information can make a significant difference in these complex scenarios. The use of AI in warfare raises important ethical considerations. As AI systems become more integrated into military operations, questions about accountability, transparency, and the potential for misuse become increasingly pressing. As AI systems become more sophisticated and autonomous, concerns about unintended consequences and the potential for algorithmic bias come to the forefront. These issues highlight the need for robust ethical frameworks and oversight mechanisms. Ensuring human oversight and establishing clear ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of military AI will be crucial to mitigating these risks. By addressing these ethical challenges, we can harness the power of AI while safeguarding against its potential pitfalls.